Hi, I'm Greg Lewis. Welcome to 12712 Sarah Street in Studio City. This modern contemporary home was rebuilt from the studs up in 2017. Bathed by natural light, this generous-sized living room is wired for television and anchored by a natural gas fireplace. Modern gourmet kitchen with spacious center island. Viking appliances, elegant lighting, and ample storage. This house has many features, including in-ceiling speakers, Cat 5 cable, Honeywell security system, dual-zoned air conditioning, and Lutron light dimmers. All 4 bedrooms are upstairs. Can you imagine yourself living in this luxury bedroom with walk-in closet? Enjoying this luxury bathroom? Other features include tankless water heater, brand new, Fleetwood sliders, natural gas pipe to the backyard, and it's walking distance to Beeman Park. The only thing this home is missing is you. I'm Greg Lewis.